when it comes to uploading the app to the Play Store, is there anything special people have to keep in mind? When I uploaded my app to the Play Store, I used their checklist that they have.
Yeah.
I know they have had this for a few years
Yeah.
already, and I found it really useful. They cover all the steps that are necessary to upload the app. I will probably put a link to that into the show notes. But is there anything special people have to keep in mind before they upload their app to the Play Store?
I don't think so. Like, I think the checklist covers everything. The only thing that I would advocate is if you're doing updates to an existing app, make sure you roll it out slowly. So don't just roll it out to 100% of your users. Roll it out to like 5%. See if there's any issues, 10%, 50%. Or if you have to get it out today, roll it out to 99%. And the reason being that if there is a huge issue and you roll it out to 99%, you can press pause and no new users will get it. So maybe only 15% of your audience is updated. If you roll it out to 100%, you can't stop it from going out. It's out now.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So if you end up in that situation like I did, where you've released an update and it crashes for everyone, if it's rolled out to 99%, I can just press stop. Whereas if it's rolled out to 100, now I have to get a fix out right now. And depending on how long the approval process takes and how long it takes to get onto people's devices and stuff, it's going to be crashing for people for a while. So I definitely recommend like rolling it out.
That's a nice trick, definitely.
Yeah.
One thing I forgot when I released my app for the first time was to actually apply code shrinking.
Yeah.
This was not activated by default, and I completely forgot about this. So my app was big and not obfuscated, and whatever other downsides this has. But this was also then described in this checklist I was mentioning. It's all there. They explain all the stuff. There's documentation for all of this. People have been asking me to make a tutorial about this, but I feel like there's nothing I could add to this. I really think the checklist is on point that they have. It's really good. And it covers everything you have to know.
Yeah, agreed.